Hello there, my business-minded hamsters roaming the universe. For every ambitious fluffball, owning a business is a dream come true. But let's be real. Starting one is no easy ride. It often means saving for years or taking on an expensive loan, building a detailed business plan, and then working tirelessly to bring it to life. And with so much effort on the line, the last thing you want is for those plans to turn into a nightmare. That's why your fluffy friend has prepared today's video. It dives into one of the most important questions of all. Which businesses are no longer worth starting in today's world? Pay close attention because this insight could save you a ton of money, time, and nerves. Ready to make sure your energy goes into the right idea? Then let's roll.
Worst businesses to start. Everyone keeps recommending them, but I think they're most likely to fail and end up on your Instagram feed. Restaurants, 60% fail within a year, 80% within 4. Just imagine the average cost to start one's $1 million. Retail, 70% failure within 5 years. Software, yes, the reward can be big, but this is millions you have to spend to hopefully one day get it back. Electronics or hardware. At the pace that things are going, these things you better move fast. Hotels. It's really real estate with 24/7 customer service. Media companies. Everybody talks about digital blogging or newspapers, both hard to make money. Wholesalers, in particular on singular platforms like Amazon. You have single party risk, and that's probably why most of these businesses don't even last a year.
That analysis may have sounded a bit cold, but let's be real. The business world often works that way. It's always better to face reality than ignore it. Along with your own ideas, it's smart to look at industry statistics to spot trends and make predictions. After all, when you start a business, you want it to last a long time. I haven't tried any of the businesses mentioned, but I did recently think about buying a golf course. With all the holes already there, I thought it might be profitable to turn it into a hotel for hamsters. But now, I think I'll give that idea a bit more thought before jumping in. See you in the next episode. And remember, hamsters are power. One for all, and all for one.